Monkey Forest.
How are you?
Yeah. Oh. Chantel, did you have to do that?
Not smelling that, she could be in that overflow car.
Whoa.
Yes, it's not took us only an hour, innit? Maybe I got it a bit wrong there. Maybe I thought he said an hour.
That's cool. Monkey Forest. Yeah, there's enough spaces to park, isn't there? Is that it down there?
She'll get on an end one. Yeah, and then she'll get me so I park next to someone can bump on.
Yeah.
Get a bit closer to that side then. So I want to get in next to him there.